Hi there, welcome back to Chang Fun Learning, where I will take you to explore the rich culture and language of China. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to some of the most popular and authentic Chinese slang words. If you want to sound like a native speaker and impress your Chinese friends, keep watching. China has many popular slang and internet terms. These terms are widely used in daily conversation and social media. Learning Chinese slang is essential for anyone who wants to communicate like a native speaker and truly understand Chinese culture. So, let's dive into some of the most popular and authentic Chinese slang words. The first one is 牛. 牛. This is a common way to say you think someone is really great, awesome, or impressive. For example, if you tell someone that you can speak 5 languages, they might reply, 你很牛. 你很牛. 你 is you, 很 is very, 牛 as in awesome in this context. Or 你真牛. 真 means really, real, so you're really awesome, you're really impressive. 你真牛 or 你很牛.
举手转回去。你真牛啊。
In many cases, it can be used as the equivalent of the non-slang term 厉害. 厉害. If you want to say you're awesome, you can also say 你很厉害. 你很厉害. And then the second one is cool. Cool. This is a loan word from English. It's the Chinese version of cool.
Giacomo Agostini 的帽子，纪念版的。Cool.
For example, if someone asks what your job is, and you tell them you're a DJ and you travel all around the world, they might reply, 哇，你很酷. 你很酷. You are so cool. 你很酷. So the third one is 哥们儿. 哥们儿. It's usually used among younger, cooler males. This is the Chinese equivalent of something like bro or dude.
跟他说话。
喂，我说什么呀？
说什么都行。
嘿，哥们儿，你好吗？
If you want to say bro, what are you up to? You can say 哥们儿，你干嘛呢？哥们儿，你干嘛呢？ And then the next one is 电灯泡. 电灯泡. This word literally means electric light bulb. So it is the third wheel in English. So an example sentence is 你最好别去当电灯泡. 你最好别去当电灯泡. You'd better not be the third wheel. Number 5 is 放鸽子. 放鸽子. The literal meaning is to release the pigeon. But it actually means to stand someone up. This term may have originated from the practice of pigeon racing, where pigeons are released from a starting point and then raced back to their homes. If a pigeon fails to return, it is said to have been released or let go, and it's considered as a disappointment to its owner. Similarly, when someone fails to show up for a meeting or a date, they're considered to have released the other person, leading to the use of this slang to describe the situation.
不是说今天你孩子的爸爸来吗？
我被放鸽子了。
我给你倒。
Number 6 is 土豪. 土豪. With the increasing number of super rich in China, there's no shortage of people with plenty of money but little class. 土豪 refers to someone who is newly wealthy and has just come into money. Here is an example. 听说你叔叔最近买了一辆法拉利。对，他是土豪。The next slang term is 富二代. 富二代. Perhaps considered as the opposite of the word 土豪, 富二代 came from generational wealth and were born with silver spoon in their mouths. This slang word has a bit of a negative implication, so it's best not to use it to describe people to their face.
你别管，你别管，你也别管，我包了，我全到了。
陈总是谁？今天包场开派对的富二代。我的头号目标。
So an example sentence could be 我以为他是一个很厉害的人，但是后来才发现他就是一个富二代。And the next one is 高富帅。高富帅。高富帅 is a Chinese slang term that literally translates to tall, rich, and handsome. The term is often used to describe a man who is physically attractive, wealthy, and successful. The term 高富帅 has become a very popular phrase in Chinese pop culture, particularly in relation to the dating scene. Women may use this term to describe their ideal partner or to express admiration for someone who fits the description. For example, 她的男朋友是个高富帅。她的男朋友是个高富帅。And then number 9 is 白富美。白富美。The female counterpart to 高富帅 is 白富美。So the 白 in this term means white. And the reason why there's this character in this term, because in China, girls tend to have flawless, snow white skin. And then 富 means rich, 美 means pretty. So for men, they can use this term, 白富美, to describe their ideal partner or to express admiration for someone who has flawless snow white skin and rich and beautiful. An example sentence is 白富美是很多男人的理想对象。白富美是很多男人的理想对象。And then number 10 is 学霸。学霸。学霸 is a student who always studies really hard and is always top of the class.
上了高中那就是学霸。
我在中国也是学霸。
学霸好，学霸光荣，学霸最招女孩喜欢。
So to combine the term that we just learned, 白富美, to this 学霸, an example sentence could be 她不仅是一个白富美，而且还是个学霸。她不仅是一个白富美，而且还是一个学霸。And number 11 is 单身狗。单身狗。单身狗 is a Chinese slang term that literally translates to single dog. It is often used to refer to people who are single and not in a romantic relationship. The term single dog is often used humorously, and it has become very popular on social media. An example sentence that Chinese parents often say is 为什么还不开始找对象？你想一辈子做单身狗吗？ And the last popular Chinese slang term I'm going to teach you is 撒狗粮。撒狗粮。撒狗粮。撒狗粮 is a popular internet slang in mainland China, which is used to publicly expressing affection or flaunting love on social media or in public. Its literally meaning is spreading dog food, which is a metaphor for showing off the sweet feelings and displays of affection in a romantic relationship. An example sentence is 你能不能不要天天撒狗粮？你能不能不要天天撒狗粮？ These are just some examples of the many Chinese slang terms that are used in daily conversation. By learning these terms, you will be able to understand and participate in Chinese culture more fully. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning these popular and authentic Chinese slangs. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more Chinese learning tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next video.